Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2025 Volkswagen Taos and I will show you how you can easily fold down the top portion of the back seats. This video should apply to these vehicles made from 2022 all the way up to 2026 and possibly newer. I'm making this video in December of 2025, so it might still apply to new models as well. It should be the same. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Okay, so folding these seats is quite easy. If you look at here at the top of the top portion of the seat, there is like a small button switch here. So you just have to press it and pull the top portion down, and you'll get this seat down and access to the trunk area. And this way you can actually get much more cargo space. I will show you now the other side as well. Okay, so this side will be the same. Press this button here and pull it down, and that's it. And look at now this, how much space you have in this vehicle. To lift those back up, you just pull it and push it into the place, and they will lock in place. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.